Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, everyone, you don't know the skill already, you see me? Now, this scene of a lady a mash up a liquor store, you see me? And it depends on social media going away where people are fair ask, what make this woman do this, you see me? So me now, I take this and I bring this to my viewers them for me to take a look on this and observe it for a minute. Alright? What makes she could have really not do this? That's the question me have to ask. You see me? Because she just mash up the place, so she not take no money because you can see so she dash for the money. You see it? So that means that on a robbery, me no see her in a uniform. So me I guess she's not a cashier. Although some stores work without cashier in uniform and in things there, you see me? But I wouldn't suggest that because it's not really professional. But at the same time again, I start to ask and I say, I wonder if she involved with the owner. Like she and the owner must have some form of problem. You see? But when the owner for the store they come and say nobody round the store as a Ray, or maybe the owner they are afraid to touch her. You see it? So she just mash up the place before the police them come. You see it? Or is it that she are the owner for the place? People where that call something like this a tantrum or spite, because really and truly, yo, why should I really do this to this liquor store? Because yes, it's a liquor store, see? Anyways, you don't know so Dancehall Skill I go bring to your heart while going on social media. And this me see I go on people ask a bungler question, what make this woman mash up this place like this? You see what I say? Well, at least she mash up the place and she not hurt nobody. You see? Anyways, just let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel and want to stay up to date to the Dancehall Skiller, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skiller and this what you just see at Dancehall Skiller ENT. Uno big up on yourself, you see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skiller! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.